Hello guys, my name is Shirley. Today we are going to make this zebra pattern crossbody bag. There are 4 important steps to make this bag: measuring, threading, sewing, and ending. When we grab these 4 steps, we can finish the bag easily. Firstly, we are going to sew these 3 leather patches together by practice 4 steps that we just mentioned. We are going to overlap these 3 leather patches together in this way and sew the half circle here. The thread length for sew this half circle will take 10 times of the finger distance. Such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the total thread length for sewing this half circle. Now I'm going to show how to thread the needle. We need 2 ends of the thread to be fixed with 2 needles to sew this half circle. Okay, after threading the needle, we will locate all the holes precisely, layer by layer. Firstly, we need to distinguish which is the front and which is the back side. We could notice that here, the front side has bigger and clear holes, and back side, the holes is not clear enough, so we will locate them back to back. Like this way. Okay, we will start the sewing from the first hole here. Draw 2 ends of the thread evenly. And then beneath needle go upward from the second hole. Upward needle go downward, also from the second hole. To finish the first crossing, draw 2 ends of the thread tightly before finish each crossing. Okay, so the left holes will be sewed in the same way. Okay, when we finish all the holes here, we will now go back to 2 holes to end the thread. Now we have 2 ends of the thread at the same side. After cutting off the thread, we will apply the leather glue on the thread to have the thread fixed in place. If you don't have the leather glue in hand, I'm going to show you another easy way to end the thread by using your lighter. Before cutting off the thread, go back to horse, like this way. Until two ends of the thread at the same side, and then cut off the thread. Use your lighter to melt the thread. Be avoid not too close to the leather. Okay, press a little bit. Finished. Okay, next step, we're going to sew these 3 leather patches together. Firstly, we are going to locate the zipper pattern leather patch with the smaller leather patch with 2 buttons. The zipper leather patch is back against the back with the bottom leather patch like this way. Okay, the thread length for this half circle will take 4 times of the finger distance about this leather strap. We can notice that the distance of the first 2 holes is a little bit wider than other left holes, so we are going to locate the leather strap from the second hole here. Now I'm going to show a few steps here and leave you to finish the left horse. It will be sewed in the same way. After finish this part, we are going to join with another 2 leather patches together. Put the zipper pattern leather patch onto the second layer and then the smaller leather patches on the top. So we are going to sew this curved line. Thread length for sew this curved line will take 6 times of the finger distance. It will be 3 layers to sew together about this part. Okay, I'll leave you to finish this part. Here is the finished effect. The sewed area of this half circle. Here's the back view, and this is the curved line that we just mentioned. Okay, here is the back side that I just leave you to finish along. Next step, we're going to sew these 2 leather patches together. This part that we just finished, we are going to locate at the back of the button here. This is the front and this is the back side. There are 2 big holes in the middle. We'll locate the pocket in between the big holes. We're going to sew the straight line on the top here. Thread length for this straight line will take 4 times of the finger distance. Okay, so I will leave you to finish the straight line on the top here. It's the same sewing steps that we made before. Okay, next step we are going to install the ear part. Take out all the screws here. fold the smaller leather strap and then go through the front side of the bigger leather patch, like this way. Then screw as tight as you can. Next step, we are going to connect these two leather patches together by the short straight line here. Sweat length for this straight line will take 2 times of the finger distance. Okay, you could sew them together along. I will leave you to finish this part. Next step, we are going to sew the side part to the body part. We're going to locate the body part on the top of the side part and sew from the first hole here. The first hole, we will need to make a circle on the top to provide extra support. Sweat length for sew this part will take 4 times of the finger distance. Okay, now we are going to make the circle at the top here. It will be better to make 2 circles to provide extra support. Here we make the first circle. After draw 2 ends of the thread tightly, we will repeat this step to make the second circle. Okay, so here we have 2 circles on the top already, and then we could move on the left horse to sew in the same way as we made before, and then move on to the second hole, same sewing way as we made before, to sew the left horse. Okay, I will leave you to finish the left horse. Here is the finished effect. All of the 4 corners will have 2 circles at the top to provide extra support. We are going to sew from here to the end here to finish the back part, and then we are going to sew the front part, also same steps. It will be also 4 times of the side strap part. So I'll leave you to finish this part. Last step, we are going to install the shoulder strap. Here we could adjust the shoulder strap length according to our needs. Okay, here we almost finished the bag. Hope you enjoy this DIY process. Thank you so much for watching.